Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing MCU's The 5 Best Couples. The Marvel Cinematic Universe has established many couples since its birth in 2008. Some of those couples played an important part in the canon, while others barely appeared before vanishing completely.
Okay.
Peter and MJ. The MCU has many romantic couples but few that include teenagers. That's why it's so rare to see Peter and MJ get together. Many viewers were unhappy that Spider-Man Homecoming's MJ was so different from the one in the comics. But her and Peter are sweat together and behave around each other in an endearing, awkward way that teenage lovebirds act. Tony and Pepper. The main reason why Tony and Pepper deserve a spot in this list is that they were one of the rare couples who managed to make it work long term in the MCU. And that's no easy task. What with all the invasions, supervillains, and other threats looming on the horizon, Tony and Pepper have been through their fair share of relationship difficulties, but they made it work in the end, got married, and had their daughter, Morgan.
Forget to wear deodorant and dance with my mom.
Steve and Peggy. While Steve didn't score with Peggy's niece, he and Peggy were a match made in heaven. Not only were they both strong personalities, but Peggy loved Steve even before he became Captain America. Steve also considered her his greatest love. So when he finally got the chance, he went back in time, and it's safe to presume he and Peggy lived happily ever after. If anybody deserved a happy ending, it's the Duke, considering how much loss and trauma they have been through. T'Challa and Nakia. Ex-partners can often have a complicated relationship after they had broken up. That was at least the case for T'Challa and Nakia, but they made it work, even though not without difficulties. They were well matched, though both being confident, intelligent, and caring deeply about their country and their people. It would be interesting to see how the relationship would have progressed in the MCU, though the tragic passing of Chadwick Boseman makes that unlikely.
Still, if I feel your calling.
Which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.